Alex, I feel like I'm constantly running out of time. No matter how hard I try, I can't seem to get everything done. Do you have any tips?
I hear you, Jamie. Time management can be challenging, but there are some great techniques that can help. Have you heard of the Pomodoro technique?
Pomodoro technique? No, what's that?
It's a method where you work in focused intervals, usually 25 minutes, followed by a short break. This helps maintain high levels of productivity and prevents burnout. You'd be surprised how much you can accomplish in those short bursts.
That sounds interesting. Oh, sorry about that. What else can I try?
Another great method is time blocking. You allocate specific blocks of time for different tasks throughout your day. This way, you know exactly what to focus on and when, reducing the chances of getting sidetracked.
I like the sound of that. But what if I have too many tasks to handle?
That's where the Eisenhower Matrix comes in handy. It's a tool that helps you prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance. You focus on what's truly important and urgent, and delegate or eliminate the rest.
Wow! That sounds like a game changer. How do I start using it?
Start by listing all your tasks. Then, categorize them into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither. This will give you a clear picture of what needs your immediate attention.
I can see how that would help. Any other tips for staying on track?
Yes! Try the Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20th rule. It suggests that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Identify those key tasks that yield the most results and focus on them.
These techniques sound amazing. How do I keep myself motivated to stick with them?
Set small, achievable goals and reward yourself when you reach them. Also, keep track of your progress. Seeing how much you've accomplished can be a great motivator.
Thanks, Alex. I feel much more equipped to manage my time now. I can't wait to try these techniques.
You're welcome, Jamie. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you and being consistent. You've got this.
I will. Let's enjoy the rest of our coffee. I think you got a visitor at the door. Thank you very much, Alex.